Have you ever tasted a dish that sets your senses ablaze? Bicol Express is not for the faint of heart. This Filipino stew is a delicious explosion of flavors, a tantalizing dance of heat and richness that will leave you craving more. Originating from the Bicol region of the Philippines, this dish is a true testament to the bold and vibrant culinary heritage of the region. Bicol Express is more than just a dish. It's an experience. The creamy coconut milk, the savory pork, and the fiery chilies come together in perfect harmony, creating a symphony of flavors that is both comforting and exhilarating. The origins of Bicol Express can be traced back to the rural kitchens of Bicol. Legend has it that a resourceful homemaker, inspired by the region's abundant coconut and chili peppers, created this fiery stew. The dish quickly gained popularity, becoming a staple in Bicolano homes. It is said that the dish was named after the region's passenger trains, which were known for their speed and fiery journeys, much like the sensation of eating Bicol Express. The magic of Bicol Express lies in its simple yet powerful ingredients. The base of the dish is a rich and creamy coconut milk, which provides a beautiful canvas for the other flavors to shine. Pork, often belly or shoulder, is the protein of choice, adding a savory depth and a satisfying texture to the stew. And then there are the chilies. Bicol is known for its potent chili peppers, and Bicol Express generously features them. The chilies infuse the stew with their signature heat, creating a slow, building burn that is as enjoyable as it is addictive. While the traditional recipe is a masterpiece in itself, there are endless possibilities for enhancing the flavors of Bicol Express. Some cooks like to add shrimp paste, known as bagoong, for a pungent umami kick. Others prefer to incorporate vegetables like green beans or spinach for added texture and a touch of freshness. No matter how you choose to enjoy it, Bicol Express is a dish that will leave a lasting impression. It's a reminder that the most satisfying meals are often the ones that are deeply rooted in tradition, crafted with love, and bursting with flavor. So, go ahead and embark on your own culinary adventure. Explore the world of Filipino cuisine and discover the magic of Bicol Express. Your taste buds will thank you.